welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Well, makeup is a passion, and so is fashion. And this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Now, today's haul is a Juicy Couture haul. I have a little bit of leather, a little bit of terry cloth, and a little bit of nylon. So let's start with this is my favorite one out of all four of these today because I got four that I picked up. And this one is my favorite one. And this is the Lemonade collection. And this is what it looks like. It's a miniature backpack. Well, it's a mini backpack, not a miniature. It's a mini backpack. And this is how it looks. Zipper in the front, which works. Working zipper. Pocket. Shifting color. Little key fob in the front. Also rainbow colored shifting crystals. Here goes the zipper. Pocket on the side here. Pocket on the other side, opposite side as well. Here we go with straps. Isn't it so cute so far? Adjustable straps at that. So let's open this. Go inside. Okay, this is the inside of it. We have a pocket. Working pocket as well. The label, Juicy Couture, Los Angeles, California, it says. And I'm hoping to get the black one just like this. This is what it looks like. I'm hoping to get the black one that's like this. Except for it's in black, of course. And the straps are not. You guys, the way it stands, like, the black comes in two different strap colors. You have one that comes in this strap colors and one that just comes in regular strap colors, which is the same color as the bag. But it's still considered the Lemonade collection. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. I guess I'll go whichever one is the most prettiest at the time that I'm looking at it. So I'm liking both black ones so far. But I'm also looking forward to getting the Lemonade overnight bag. Um it's it's between the black one and the pink one. But I'm a pink lover. So it'll probably end up being in pink. But this is how this one looks. There's no feet on the bottom of these. This is the first Juicy Couture bag. And this is the girly one. Now, I collect Juicy Couture handbags. I collect the girly ones as well as the sophisticated ones. The sophisticated ones cost way more than the girly ones because those ones are mostly in leather. The girly ones are the ones that are cracking and peeling and oh my goodness, it's like because I got one now and the bottom of it is it's just cracked the ball up. And I'm like, I only carried it once, so how is it cracking up like that? But for some reason, I don't know, you paid a lot of money for them, and that's the quality that you got in the end. It was like you didn't see that in the beginning, but toward the end, as 10 years has come and gone, on its cracked up like that. And it's like, what the hell? It didn't stand up to the wear, and you was paying a lot of money for them back then. But like I said, I have a lot of the girly ones, and I have a lot of the sophisticated ones, but they considered the black labels. So I collect all of Juicy Couture. I don't collect just the pink ones, like most people do. I collect all of Juicy Couture. The black label, the pink label, the girly ones, the sophisticated ones. I collect all of it. So that's a true Juicy Couture um, um, customer or fan. You collect all of it, not just some of it, but all of it. And I collect all of it. So, okay, here's the next one. This is nylon. And this is what it looks like. And this is one of the zipper pockets, zipper pull, working zipper. As you can see here. Opposite side, another zipper. Look at the zipper pull. Much closer. Now this here, I got this for $20. The person had it on sale for 100 and something when they first listed it, and then they dropped it all the way down to $45. And I was getting ready to buy it for $45. I was not gonna haggle with them. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy it. I don't feel like haggling. I just want the bag. And then all of a sudden, as I was getting ready to buy it that night, it popped up. And they wanted $35. They best offer. So I said $24. They accepted the offer. So I was like, what the hell? They would have had me at 47 if they had just left the price alone. But I guess because they had someone looking at it, they was like, let's get rid of it. And I got it for $24. I'm not complaining. And it's brand new. And it's cute as hell. And I've never had a bag like this before in the Juicy Couture collection. Alright. So this is what it looks like in the inside. Once again, the Juicy Couture label. So Juicy Couture, Los Angeles, California. Alright, working zipper. Okay. The label, secondary label, telling you how to care for it, I guess, or what it's made of. Alright, has the ribbon on the side. Has the ribbon on the opposite side as well. But it's not tied. Didn't notice that until just now. Alright. That's what it looks like. Very nice. Alright, let's go for my leather one. And this baby. This baby. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it cost me a lot. And I was even at the negotiations. Brand new leather Juicy Couture. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Look at the handles. Like I said, I collect all of Juicy Couture. Not just the pink ones or the pink and green, but I collect it all. A true Juicy Couture collector. Black label, pink label. I do it all. Okay. Comes with a dust bag. working pocket. Let's make sure it's working because it's already unzipped. There we go, it works. Isn't this pretty and it's big too? This sucker is mammoth. Alright, it has pockets on the side here for cell phone and as I say, a pen or pencil. So, 2 different pockets. Let's see here. Alright. And this is doing P and G. Well, G and P. Before they like start using other labels and stuff. And this is brand new, it's never been used before. It is vintage. So I'm not the first owner of it. It was collected by someone else who didn't use it and I bought off of them, but I plan on using it sooner or later. And that's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. It held up. Isn't it pretty? Brand new. That amount. Alright. Now, this is my second favorite piece that I bought for this 4-bag collection. Oh my goodness, what do I say about this? Oh, I watched this puppy for 3 years. For nearly 3 years, you guys. And the price was no break. They went break on the price and they didn't have the offer thing up. So I never would send out an offer. And then last week, they put an offer up. Send me your best offer. Then they put it on sale, along with send me your best offer. I said, no, say it ain't so. It's finally gonna be mine. And I said, before anyone could get there and get this, because it had several people that was watching it. I said, oh, this one is hard to come by, because you get the ones that are smaller. But to get one that is bigger, and I thought it was black. I didn't realize until I bought it was blue. I wish it had been black, because I could have really rocked it. But I said no. To get the big one is rare. It's very rare. You rarely. I had never came across a big one. Never until then. And I was like, no, say it ain't so. I gave them my best offer. I forget how much I offered them. They accepted it. And I bought it. And I got it for almost a little bit of nothing. I can't remember how much I paid for it, which I should remember for something that I've been watching for a long time. But it was almost a little bit of nothing. And here it is with the dog tail and the whistle. And this is what it looks like. Look at this. The bottom of it. Let's unzip this bad boy. See if I can do it with one hand. I'm getting there. Finished. And this puppy is stuffed. As you can see, brand new. Got the Juicy Couture paper in it. This too is vintage, but it's never been used. Brand new. They still have some that are. You still have some from the Black Label that have not has really not been on the market like that. Like, okay, like how you go and get the Cole or the Macy's Juicy Couture handbags that's sold in those stores, and you go to Ross or TJ Maxx and get them like that. So they hitting the last market basically. So that's what this is like. It's been there but not been there where someone else has been able to buy them until now. So they're just now coming up for sale. But it's been there, but it was like not on the market until now. So they get individually sold. So if you got the money, then you can buy it. And I had the money, so I decided to buy it. This is what it looks like. Another cell phone pocket, pencil pocket as I call it. Another zipper compartment, money compartment as I like to call it. Let's see what the label is for this one. As you can see, the inside, what it looks like, the lining. Alright, this too is GMP, as you can see. Like I said, these are like vintage, brand new, never been used, never carried, on sale. On you have to know which markets to go to buy them. Like I said, I had this for nearly 3 years. Finally say offer me a best offer. Sent that best offer. I was able to buy it before anyone else could grab it. They was offering they really wanted a whole lot for it, and I was like, I'm not paying that much for it. I'm not doing it. It didn't sell for that much when it was on the market. I'm not paying that much for it. So I waited until they got desperate enough to sell it. Which is I'm doing that now to another handbag. I've been watching it for 2.5 years. I already bought one bag off of her. And I negotiated that bag off of her. And she got one more bag that I want. But she keeps going on vacation. And when she goes on vacation, she goes on vacation for like a month here and a month there. And so far she's been on vacation for like well, this April is gonna be 2 months coming into April. April the 26th will be 2 months. Then she'll come off of vacation. But she goes on vacation a whole lot. So she doesn't always get rid of her stuff right off. So I'm hoping she's desperate enough for money when she comes off of her vacation, like most people are, because they've been spending that vacation money up. Then I can offer her, I can lowball her and get her to where I really want her to be at by lowballing her and then having her go up to almost to where I think. So like I said, I like to say like if they want 45, I'll turn around and offer them like 39. So I'm willing to go to 42. So anything in between that, I'm good. But like I said, these are some really great Juicy Couture handbags. And these are like, some of these are like black labels, which I consider them. And some of them are the girly ones. Like this one. So I got a little playful ones and I got a little serious ones. You know where I'm coming from? So, well, anyways, with that, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good night. Well, not good night. You have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. God bless.